Hello everyone, today we are comparing Galaxy F05 and Motorola Moto G04. Let's find out which one is better fit for you. First, compare the body features. Display features. Galaxy F05 comes with 6.7 inches PLS LCD display, and the Motorola Moto G04 comes with 6.56 inches IPS LCD display. Let's move to the hardware features. Motorola Moto G04 is powered by the Unisoc chipset, and the Galaxy F05 comes with Mediatek chipset. Camera features. Galaxy F05 comes with 50 megapixel and 2 megapixel rear cameras, and the Moto G04 comes with 60 megapixel rear camera and 5 megapixel front camera. Let's compare the battery features. Both two phones come with 5000 mAh batteries. Next, compare the sound and other features. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.